Hey everyone, this is MJ. Welcome to my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, fountain pens, inks, productivity, hobonichi, all the things that we love in Japanese stationery and other types of stationery. Today, we're going to talk about lettering, and I'm going to share with you what I'm going to be using to help my handwriting. Stay tuned. All right, so I have actually some vintage books, believe it or not, that my family had. I picked up one on Prime Day, and I picked up one at Independent Bookstore Day back in April. So we're going to go over to my desk and check them out. All right, so I guess we're going to start where it all started. This is the book that came with this pen. This was my first calligraphy pen. This is the pen that came with this book, which was an introduction to calligraphy, and they actually told you the history of it, the writing instruments, how to sit, how to hold the pen, tips for left-handed writers, which is nice, and simple exercises. And I will say that I was pretty religious with this when I was a kid. This is the lettering that I enjoyed, more of like the Gothic hand. This one was good too. This is very Lord of the Rings. Margins and spacing, decorative alphabets, just very good information. Everyday use, care of fine writing tools, basic. I probably got this when I was 10, maybe 9, and I still have it today, which is nice. Okay, then this is a family book. This was actually like a cousin of mine, I think. She was an artist, a very talented artist. And this is Letters and Lettering. This is from 1943? 1943. Lettering is an art. Lettering is an art. Make no mistake about that. For its practitioner, it sets high requirements in every artistic excellence. It richly rewards him with a finished product that compares most favorably with many another product of brush and pen. So we have a foreword. Move this over. Introduction, alphabets, old-fashioned, exotic lettering, modern script, old-fashioned initials, old-fashioned script, expressive lettering, style and treatment, and typefaces. So I'm not going to go through every single page with you. Oh, look. That's fun. Very cool. Fascinating. Very cool. Talking about spacing. Spacing, I've learned, is very important. You need to let the letters breathe for sure. It's the result that counts. Variety. Ooh, this is pretty. Alphabets. Isn't that just great? I love books. I do have a BookTube channel, and it has that vintage smell to it as I'm passing through the pages. That was under modern script. Very cool. More lettering. These are fun. These are expressive. Is that what they said? Old-fashioned script. Expressive lettering. And a lot of this now you can use with different applications like Canva. Style and treatment. Isn't that great? And typefaces. So there are a ton of different things to practice for sure. Absolutely lovely. And that again is New Letters and Lettering. Delightful. Okay, then I got this one over the spring. This was at a used bookstore sale. I think I got it for $1. And this is from 1979. This is more calligraphy. Let's see if we have a table of contents. That might help. There we go. Using this book, acknowledgements, pens, pigments, papers, and proficiency. Beginner, student, calligrapher, master craftsman, the mistakes in pencil. New alphabets from old. Everyday calligraphy projects. Going into business for yourself. Seems like sound advice. Shows you how to do a family tree, letterhead, designing a logo. Making a favorite quote. Lots of projects. Different variations. I like Bookhand a lot. Bookhand makes you see that not only is every letter unique, but also the spaces between the letters are all different. Yep. Celtic. Isn't that fascinating? I love this stuff. So I think as we roll into fall, I'm going to be spending a lot more time practicing my lettering. This is Using Calligraphy, a workbook of alphabets, projects, and techniques by Margaret Shepard. And then on Prime Day, I picked up this one. Hand Lettering Lessons, a super easy modern calligraphy and print with traceable alphabets. And this is from 2020. This is available at most booksellers. Ascender, descender, underturn ovals using brush pens. Just going to page through just to give you an idea as to what is all in the book. And this is all for practice. So I guess I need to get tracing paper. They do give you some sheets in the back to work with. Practice makes progress. Different lettering styles. Just things to work on. And that again is hand lettering lessons. Super easy modern calligraphy print with traceable alphabets. Very cool. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. If you are with me on this journey of improving your penmanship, improving your handwriting, let me know in the comment section by leaving me a comment. If you know of any great books or tutorials out there, let me know about that as well. I'd be really interested. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I'll see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now, and happy writing. Fill those pens and write those words.